How to create HubSpot Dashboard 2024. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can create your very own HubSpot dashboard in the easiest way. Now, if you want to use this incredible platform for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get a free sign up and much more. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to your left hand side and we're going to go over to the reporting section and we're going to click on dashboards. Now, once you click on dashboards, what's going to happen from here is you can either choose a dashboard out of these templates or you can create your very own dashboard by clicking on new dashboard. So I'm going to give it some random name and I'm going to go ahead and click on create dashboard. Now, once this dashboard has been created, you can go to it and edit it differently. So let's go ahead, click on manage dashboards. And once we do that, we're going to go ahead into this section. Now you can start adding reports to this to make it pop off or look better. Now I'm going to go ahead and let's say choose this report, right? So we're going to do that, click on save and add. And once we do that, we exit out of it. And once we come back here, you can see that our dashboard has now come to life. And again, if you want to use this platform for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below right now. So that is how you can create a HubSpot dashboard in 2024. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.